How to convert friends to followers on Facebook. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can convert friends to followers on Facebook. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, first of all, launch the Facebook application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you land on your home, please navigate to top left corner and just below the home icon, tap on your profile icon. That's gonna take you to your profile page. So now from your profile page, tap on the three dot icon next to edit profile. But before that, as you can see, I have one friend in my Facebook account. So to convert the friend into followers, tap on the three dot icon. Once you land on profile settings page, you have to tap on turn on professional mode. Here, tap on turn on. Now you have to set up your profile. Tap on next, again next. Choose your default audience, then tap on next. Here tap on confirm. Now your account has been converted to professional. Once you head back to your profile, refresh your profile, and if you tap on the three dot icon on your profile and tap on view as, now your friends has been converted into followers, as you can see just below your profile. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.